In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Evernote. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a solid backup of your notes or move them to another app, all without losing anything important. First, make sure you have the Evernote desktop app open on your computer. This process works best in the desktop version, not the web browser, because the export options are more complete and reliable there. So go ahead and launch the app and sign in if you aren't already. Once Evernote is open, look over to the left-hand side of the window. You'll see a sidebar with several sections, and one of those is called Notebooks. Click on the Notebooks tab. This is where Evernote organizes your collections of notes, and it's also where we'll start the export process. After you click Notebooks, you'll see a list of all the notebooks in your account. Take a moment to find the specific notebook you want to export. This could be something like a project notebook, a personal journal, or anything else you've organized there. When you've found the one you want, move your mouse over that notebook's name. You should see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options button, appear next to it. Click on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with several options related to that notebook. From this menu, choose the option labeled Export Notebook. This is the command that tells Evernote you want to create a file containing all the notes from that particular notebook. Next, Evernote will ask you to choose the format for your export file. Select the NX format. NX is Evernote's own export format, and it's ideal for backups because it preserves your notes, attachments, and most of the structure. It also makes it easier to re-import your notes into Evernote later, or into other applications that support NX files. Once you've chosen NX, click the Export button to move forward. Evernote will now prompt you to pick a save location on your computer. This is where the exported notebook file will be stored. Choose a folder you can easily find later, such as your Documents folder or a dedicated Backups folder. You may also want to give the file a clear name that matches the notebook, especially if you plan to export multiple notebooks. When you're satisfied with the location and file name, click Save. Evernote will generate the ENX file and store it where you selected. That's it. Your notebook is now safely exported and ready for backup or migration whenever you need it.